everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great little project to share with you today. Super cute, fun way to give something out at Halloween. You can do this for a class project as well, to give your classmates, you know, a little treat, but just a fun way to give out a piece of candy. I got this at the store. I was originally looking for something else, but I came across these. I don't know what they are, but I thought it was cute. So I'm going to show you how we create these little monster guys. So today I'm doing it in the cherry cobbler. I have this piece cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I have these two pieces cut at 1 1/2 by 5 1/2. And I'm going to bring in my trimmer because we need to score this. I'm going to move these guys over. So we are going to score this at the 1/2 inch mark. On both pieces. Now, depending whether you want your little monster to go like this or like this would be how you're going to cut these two pieces. So for today, I'm going to have it going this way. So I need to cut this down to 4 1/4. These two pieces I'm now going to run through my Big Shot to make this scalloped teeth looking. So I'm going to run this through my Big Shot. We have our score line over here. So that's our mouth. I just have some scrap pieces of paper. Now on the yellow, you can use Daffodil Delight. You could use the Pineapple Punch. Any of them will work really. So I need to punch out 1 3/4. I need 2 of those. In the yellow, I need 2 of the 1 3/8. Pumpkin pie, I have a 3/4 inch, and that's going to be for his little nose. And then some basic black. And that's going to be for the pupils. And then some Whisper White. Some 1 inch Whisper White pieces. 2 of those. And I think that's all our pieces we need. Okay. Now, to assemble, I'm using my multi-purpose liquid glue. And I am going to attach this behind. And you want to make sure when you put your eyes that you're centered on each side. And what I like with the liquid glue, it gives you a few minutes to play around. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and just start assembling my eyes. Super cute project. And again, you can give this to the kids at school. You can make these for some craft fairs. You can put them at your table for dinner. You can stamp somebody's name. Right, now we just got to put his nose on. You guys like my nails? I'm having the hardest time, you guys, with long nails. I'm not gonna lie. If I didn't pay so much money for them, I would have them removed. True story. And then you're just gonna put his mouth on. So again, you're gonna go in with your glue and add his mouth. What I found that this was a bit long after I added his mouth, so I actually just took my paper trimmer and I cut it down. I'll show you in a second. Let me get my candy. Again, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue there, just so it doesn't like move. Give it a few minutes. This is liquid glue, so it does take a minute or two to kind of dry and set in place. So, but like I say, to me it seemed a bit long, maybe because of where I put his mouth. So I just brought in my paper trimmer again, and I actually just cut him down. So I put it at 5 inches. And I cut him down a little bit. And again, you can stamp a sentiment here. Super fun, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're here in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.